Anybody conducting any type of commercial activity, which includes a vessel, water sports equipment, or anything of that nature in state waters, is required to come into the Division of Boating and Ocean Recreation and obtain a permit. That permit so companies such as surf schools, stand-up paddleboarding, kayak companies, snorkeling tours that occur off of a vessel, scuba diving operations, all will need to come in and obtain that permit from us. The permit will allow them to continue to conduct the commercial activity in the water. It'll have minimum requirements that they have to meet. They'll have to be in compliance with DCCA, and all the state requirements as it pertains to operating a business. Previous to this, there were no requirements. So there's been such a demand on the nearshore waters and resources that they're becoming overcrowded. We're pushing out the local families, like on weekends, they can't get into popular surf breaks because there's so many surf schools out there. So we needed a way to start regulating all these type of activities and all the new activities that come into the state.
Could this mean in some areas that are overused or heavily used that you'll only issue a certain number of permits and there'll be a cap on the commercial folks going in?
Exactly. Yeah, and we're considering whether maybe we should do a weekend holiday closure on some of these. So that opens it up, similar to what we do in Monalua Bay or maybe in Kaneohe Bay. So the local community has an opportunity to enjoy the resource as well. We'll have to see, how many permits are being issued, what the demand is. We may even have to do an environmental assessment to determine, okay, what is the carrying capacity of a particular area. All right, the procedure, you come in, we'll give you operators a questionnaire that they can fill out. Everything on there tells, is what we need to issue a permit. The fee for a permit is $200 per month or 3% of gross receipts. Businesses that are currently operating out of a private facility or another state facility or county facility or private property would only pay the minimum of $200 per month. If somebody is found to be operating without a permit, there's a possibility to receive fines, citations, and ultimately it could be the confiscation of the equipment for evidence. What we're trying to do is we want to get the word out to everybody, to get everybody in to get these permits, to work with us so we can get a handle on what's going on in state waters. And we don't have any intention right now of telling anybody no, as long as they meet all the minimum requirements.
From a management perspective, this is a good thing, good tool?
This is a good thing. For instance, in the past, if we wanted to regulate something, we had to go out and do administrative rulemaking. Now we have a mechanism where if a new activity that comes into the state, such as the jet lab that came in, the Rocketeer packs, we have something in place that we can issue.